Okay, we're trying to see, this valve is off. When I turn on that valve, water's going to come out of here. That's why we have the bowl under there. I'm just trying to figure out why. So I'm going to turn this on, see what happens. And instantly, yeah, water's leaking out of. Yeah, water's coming out of here. And it's going down there. But there's a valve leaking here. Yeah, there it is. It's coming right from there. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so let me turn this off. Alright, now we got a mess on our hands again. Because now that's just filled with water. It's going down the basement underneath here.
Right.
Because there's two holes. But for some reason,